Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars in Stratham, New Hampshire, we have their 2023 Jaguar F-Pace SVR. It's been about 2 years since I've been behind the wheel of one of these, and man, now that I've driven it again, it just reinforces how much I love this car. This thing is an absolute animal. It's just the sound, the way it drives, just everything about it is absolutely amazing. Plenty of room in the back here. It's just, it's such a good car. And that's after just stepping out of the Macan GTS, which I think is an absolutely amazing car. These seats, they might not look comfortable. Man, they're good. Meridian sound system. I know some of you were gonna ask for it, so let's take a peek. Supercharged V8, 550 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque. Made it through the ZF 8-speed torque converter auto. That is a very light hood. Original window sticker here. Let's see. Eiger gray and light oyster over ebony. Black exterior pack, light oyster over ebony semi-aniline leather seats. Heads-up display, upgraded wheels, basic interior protection storage pack, heated windshield, gloss black roof rails, solar attenuating windshield, okay, premium cabin lighting, and the handover pack. I kind of want to know what the handover pack is because it's a $25 option. That's the cheapest option I think I've ever seen on a window sticker. Do have multiple different drive modes. You can control it here: dynamic, comfort, eco, rain, ice, snow. Back into dynamic. Do have your traction control, sport exhaust, all of that fun stuff here. Without further ado, put this thing into sport. This thing, just the sound alone, this is one of the most aggressive V8s I have ever heard. It just sounds like it is ripping your ears apart. It's just an angry snarl, and that's what makes this thing so good. Is because this kind of sound, it's the same motor that's in the F-Type. In the F-Type SVR, it makes 575. Here, it makes 550. But it sounds the same. And out of a car like the F-Type, even there, it's shocking how rambunctious it sounds, how just raw and absolutely feral it sounds. Hey, we're talking Jaguars, cats here, feral. But coming out of a car like this, it is completely unexpected. And yeah, it does look the part, but at the end of the day, it's an SUV that sounds like that. No SUV should sound like that. What on earth? just sounds absurd. And we're in an era now, we're in a time where SUVs are never gonna sound like this again. We are going turbo, hybrid. This is a supercharged V8. Cars like this aren't gonna exist anymore. And if they are, they're gonna be play toys for the rich. And I'm not saying this car is cheap by any stretch of the imagination. But it's an SUV that's not $1 million or $250,000 like the DBX. Come on. And I think let's do a big comparison with the Macan GTS and this. They're not really competing in the same category, but I just stepped out of the Macan GTS and they're similar enough where I think a comparison can be made. The Macan GTS just does everything so well. It's a scalpel. It's a surgeon performing surgery with a scalpel. It's the right tool for the job and it does everything well. This is like performing surgery with a sledgehammer. Or a pair of scissors. It's gonna get the job done, but it's not really the tool for the job. Actually, no, a Sawzall. That's the right analogy. The Macan GTS is a scalpel in the surgery room. This is a Sawzall. It's just completely overkill, but it's kind of fun. I'm not even gonna lie. And you know, that's actually a really good analogy. I'm gonna use that in other reviews, I think. It's so just out of the ordinary. It's frankly overkill. They just painted these lines, so now I gotta find area that's not painted so I can cross over. I think I'm gonna use Lee Speedway. That might be my Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.